Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is October the 12th, 2020. I'm getting ready to run my 4 daily reports. As you can see, Spain is the first one. Spain has definitely been struggling for the last month or so with COVID-19 cases, although their deaths aren't necessarily that bad. So let's just go ahead and run this report for today. Okay, so currently Spain is averaging 3,010 cases per day and 115 deaths. So let's take a look at this is a plot of the mortality rate you can see here. Okay, this is the average mortality rate, about say 0.75%, 0.75%. You can see that the numbers are starting to trend above that, up to about 1.5. So that's not necessarily a good situation. Let's take the cases and deaths. As you can see, well, the lowest function is saying we're starting to see a bit of a decline in cases. So could this be a result of the lockdown? Okay, so this is encouraging because we get to these up here, by the way, are all Monday dates, and Monday includes the Saturday and Sunday numbers also. Okay. Now if we come in and we zoom in on the deaths to April, this is an interesting shaded line. Good grief! What in the world? Okay, this is the shaded deaths from April onward. You can see the deaths are still well below the April numbers, but you can see here uh, lowest line is 169. So they're probably averaging 169 deaths per day. We are seeing an increase. Okay, let's take a look at cases per day. Okay, and you can see once again this increase here, followed by a decline in cases. All right, we're beginning to see a decline in cases, which I'm going to chalk that up as being good news. What about deaths for the current spike, which began back in June? Once again, you can see this is showing deaths are actually declining. Interesting. Wait, sorry. This is cases again. I'm sorry. Cases are declining as you saw in the longer range plot. Deaths by date shows a decline. Interestingly enough, when we zoom in. Okay, let's take a look at cases by week. You can see that the previous 2 weeks has showed a decline in cases. Okay, followed by a long increase. Now you can see the weekly totals for deaths. You can see the deaths remain under 1,000 per week, which how many countries would love to have 1,000 deaths for only 1,000 deaths per week, 750 deaths per week. The U.S. is right around about 950 deaths per week. So let's take a monthly cases. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight months of increase in cases, ending with September's numbers over 300,000 cases for September. Deaths, okay, you could say there's a 1, 2, 3 month increase in deaths. This would be about 2,500 deaths. This is the current October numbers. So there is a slight glimmer of hope, I would say, because it appears that the cases are trending downward. Okay. Anyway, thanks for spending your time with me today. If you haven't done so already, uh, please subscribe. Click the red button, bottom right corner of your screen, and subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel. Also, don't forget to share and like the video if you found it both encouraging and helpful in your fight with COVID-19. And we'll catch you on the next report.